The conversation forward. Nikhil Choudhary, the Vice President Equity Research at Nuvama Institutional Equities, is also joining us to talk to us about that. Nikhil, your first take as far as this deal is concerned, do you see it as a bit of a negative for the minority shareholders?
Hey, hi. Thanks for having me. Basically, we are looking deal to be more or less neutral, given it announced close to the current market price. This will provide Root entry into the developed market, given Root primary revenue base is currently in emerging market, as well as help them scale from distant fifth, sixth number player to now a third communications service provider player. And this will also provide synergy benefit in next 3 years. Root, the combined entity will generate close to 19 million euro in combined synergy. So that will also be positive in medium to long term. That's basically from the current transaction perspective.
The commentary coming in from the Guptas about how, this transaction will provide further growth triggers for the company. Did you go through that? How much time do you think it will take, Nikhil, for management to really fructify all of that which is being promised via this transaction?
For now, in the short term, I think in FY24 it will be more or less organic revenue based, which we think Root continue to do much better than anyone's expectations. Going forward, we do believe they will benefit from the combined entity, given both the company has limited overlap. See that TrueSense, which will be the one of the entity which will be part of the promoter group, has a primary customer base in US and Europe, where Root has hardly any presence, right? And their CPaaS as a percentage of revenue is relatively smaller, while digital identity is much more bigger part of the revenue. While for Root, CPaaS is the majority of the revenue, and they recently ventured in digital identity with their new product, TrueSense. So definitely, this transaction will help them grow bigger than their current level and help them provide cross-selling opportunity, given both have different geography and different customer base. But that will be more or less medium-term trajectory, what they as well highlighted in their press release.
Okay, so there are some synergies and levers, cross-selling, etc., which is available. But Nikhil, before I let you go, your take as to what you think the management's commitment, how that will shift, because what was the reason you think that they are looking to sell out this stake, and given the fact it will be less than 15% now in the combined entity, do you think the focus from the Gupta family will reduce? And what would be those big questions that you want answered from the call today at 2 p.m.?
So in terms of, obviously, there are questions regarding what triggered it. Our take is it's more to do with the combined entity can do better than the Root standalone entity. I think that will be the key focus area in today's earnings call. And to be seen what kind of customer base they have, what kind of synergy will be flow to Root specifically, like the 90 million they highlighted is for the combined entity. We'll be interested in understanding, given Root is the primary coverage we have, and the investor basically invest in Root in India. So we'll be more interested how much synergy benefit can come to Root and how much can happen in TrueSense. Even the margin for TrueSense is more or less at EBITDA level flattish. So our understanding is maybe the benefit will be higher to TrueSense. I think that's the area we'll seek more color during today's event call, which is scheduled at 2 p.m.
Okay, Nikhil, on that note, we let you go. Really appreciate you joining us for a quick check as to how to read this deal that Root Mobile is undertaking. But